farm animals.
A horse. Here are legs. Here is a tail. A wavy orange tail. Here is a mane. Which animal is that? Who makes the sound? A horse! It's Johnny the horse! Woohoo! A bee. Here are a pair of wings. See-through and delicate wings. Here are two eyes. Two dark eyes. Here are stripes. Who makes the sound? A bee. It's Bubble the bee. Woohoo! A cow. Here's a tail with a furry tip. Here are legs. Thick legs. Here's a nose. Which animal has a wide nose with big nostrils? Who makes this sound? A cow! It's Moo the cow! Woohoo! Oh, Moo, you're so cute! A big yellow duck. Where are you going? Oh, there you are! Wow! Two medium-sized green-yellow ducks. Two little yellow ducklings and two little pink ducklings. A big duck. A medium-sized duck. A little duckling. Yippee! Yeah! A donkey. What kind of animal is this? Everything is mixed up. Let's try and sort it out. No, it's still mixed up. Let's try again. Right, we've found the body. Now let's look for the tail. Yeah! Oh, look! A donkey's head. A donkey's body. And a donkey's tail. It's a donkey! Woohoo! Help us connect the dots to find out which animal this is. Can you guess? It's a donkey! Yippee! Hi, donkey! Bye-bye, donkey! Here's a tail! A short and curly tail. Here's a nose. Which animal has such a round and pink nose? Oh, here are legs. Short and pink legs. Who makes the sound? A pig! Yay! It's Piggy the pig. What kind of animal is this? Let's try and sort it out. No, it's still mixed up. Let's try again. Right, we've found the body. Now let's look for the tail. Yeah! Hey, look! A pig's head. That's right. A pig's body. A pig's tail. It's a pig! Bye-bye, pig. A big white sheep is jumping up and down. Hi, sheep. Two smaller white sheep. Four tiny white sheep. A big sheep. A small sheep. A tiny sheep. Three sheep.